Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have learned two different types to construct a triangle. What are they? Yes. Type 1 is construction of a triangle when three sides are given. Type 2 is construction of a triangle when two sides and in between angles are given. In today's class, we are going to learn about construction of a triangle when one side and two adjacent angles are given. Construct a triangle ABC with AB is equal to 6 cm and angle CAB is equal to 47 degree and angle CBA is equal to 46 degree. First, let us draw the rough diagram. We can mark the vertices as A, B, C. Here they given the length of AB as 6 cm. So you have to write it here 6 cm. And angle A, that is angle CAB is angle A. Angle A is given as 47 degree and angle B is given as 46 degree. So what is the first step? First step, you have to draw a line segment of length 6 cm. So start from 0 and finish by 6. Draw a line segment and now we have to mark this as A, B of length 6 cm. At A, make an angle of measure 47 degree. 47. So we have to join this one. At B, make an angle of measure 46 degree. Now we have to join this one. These two lines intersect at one point now, that is called C. Angle A is 47 degree and angle B is 46 degree. Is it clear, children? Yes. Construction. Step 1 is draw a line segment AB is equal to 6 cm. Step 2, at A, make an angle of measure 47 degree and at B, make an angle of measure 46 degree. Step 3, mark the point of intersection as C. Now we have got the required triangle ABC. Is it clear, children? Yes. Then the fourth type is construction of a right angle triangle. Construct a triangle ABC with right angle at A. AB is equal to 6.1 cm and AC is equal to 4.7 cm. So let us draw the rough diagram for this one. This is a right angle triangle. So mark the vertices as A, B and C. So the length of this AB is given as 6.1 centimeter, and this is a right angle, and the length of AC is given as 4.7 centimeter. We have to draw the FAR diagram for this one. Here AB is of length 6.1 centimeter. So now you have to mark, start from 0 and finish by 6.1. This is a line segment AB of length 6.1 centimeter. With A as center and with convenient radius, we are going to draw two arcs cutting AB at P and Q. With A as center, take of your convenient radius on either side of A. I have extend this line. You have to mark these two arcs as P and Q. Now with P as center, take your convenient radius and draw an arc. With the same radius, from the Q, draw an arc that intersects the previous arc. Is it clear, children? So from P, take convenient radius and draw an arc with the same radius. From Q, you have to draw an arc that intersects the previous arc. Now we have to mark this point of intersection. We have to join this one now. Length of this AC is given as 4.7 centimeter. So now you have to take 4.7 centimeter in compass. So this is of measure 4.7 centimeter. So from A, you have to draw an arc in the perpendicular line. Now we have to mark this as C. So the next step is we have to join this B and C. So now we have got a right angle triangle A, B, C. The construction of this one, draw line segment AB is 6.1 centimeter. With A as center and with convenient radius, draw two arcs cutting AB at P and Q. With P and Q as centers and with convenient radius, draw two arcs cutting each other at R. Join AR, which is the required perpendicular. Mark C on AR such that AC is equal to 4.7 centimeter and join C with B. Once again I am explaining, children. First you have to draw a line segment AB of length 6.1 centimeter and take your convenient radius. So at A, draw two arcs and mark it as P and Q. Similarly, with P and Q as centers, take convenient radius and draw an arc cutting each other and mark this point of intersection as R. Now here the length of AC is given as 4.7 centimeter. Take 4.7 centimeter in compass So keep your compass here and draw an arc that cuts the perpendicular line. So this point of intersection is C. Now we have to join this C and B. Now we have got the required triangle ABC. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us have a quick recap of what we have learnt in today's class. Third type, construction of a triangle when one side and two angles are given. Draw a line segment, then mark this angle with the help of your protractor. Now we have to join these two lines and mark this point of intersection as C. Type 4 is draw a line segment with A as center of your convenient radius. Draw two arcs as P and Q. From P and Q, you have to draw arcs that intersects each other and mark it as R. So the length is given. Based on this length, you have to draw another arc that cuts this perpendicular line and mark it as C. Now we have to join this one. I will get the required triangle. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.